This book, No David, received Caldecott Honor in 1999. No David by David Shannon. David's mom always said, "No, David! No, David! No, David, no! No, no, no! Come back here, David!"
Yippee!
David, be quiet. Don't play with your food. That's enough, David. Go to your room. Settle down. Stop that this instant. Put your toys away. Not in the house, David. I said no, David. Davy, come here. Yes, David. I love you. I love you, Mommy.